our oil water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. By removing the top cover, measurements will include 13.5 inches in length, 25 1/8 in depth, by 11 3/4 inches in height. Coming to the front would be an insert for the main pipe connector. So by removing the main interceptor, the connector will go into the slot. So your main pipe connector will go into the insert and can be locked. Coming to the side will be an opening to insert your baffle. By removing the main cap and lock nut, the baffle will go right into the hole and locked. Additional interceptors can be removed, with the interior depth measuring 23.5 inches. Also included will be a basket along with 2 work gloves. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.